How to slick back wavy hair. That is the topic of today's video. And I have a mannequin right here that originally started off with straight hair, and I curled it with a curling iron to create something close to having waves. So let me just run my fingers through this a little bit. And there's a few things that you need to understand when it comes to styling kind of wavy hair or curly hair. And that is that first thing is you need to be able to control it. So in this video specifically, the topic is how to slick back wavy hair or even curly hair, but I'd say more wavy hair. The first thing and the first option you can do is blow dry it straight, right? And I've done videos on this, how to blow dry, smooth hair, how to blow dry hair straight. Search those videos on my channel and you can watch, but you have to straighten the hair first and then put product. That's probably the most efficient way to do it. Here is where I'm going to show you kind of a little bit of a trick and a few things you can do to slick back your hair while it's wavy, right? Now, wavy hair doesn't get as frizzy or as wiry and stuff as really tight curls, but you still have to keep in mind and be careful when you're styling your hair when it's wavy, because it still can frizz, it still can get out of control and become a big mess. So that's why I mentioned in the beginning, the key to this is being able to control it. Now, right off the bat, let's talk about products. So what products are you going to use? I personally don't always suggest using anything that's like really sticky or very waxy, unless you don't mind really working it through your hair and having the potential to maybe have it get a little tangled or have some hairs get pulled out from the grippiness of the product. That's why I suggest a cream type product. So the first option is my product Shadow. Now Shadow is a really light cream. It goes through the hair very easily. It gives it kind of a natural to almost wet look, and you have natural shine to it. It's not going to get super firm or super strong. It's a really good medium hold. If you want your hair to have something that's a bit more pliable, if you do want to run your fingers through it, I don't suggest doing that, because with curly hair or wavy hair, I would say set it and forget it. The minute you start running your fingers through your hair, it's going to break the product down and your style is going to just fall flat and it's not going to be the same. So I get all these comments from people saying, I want something that's going to keep my hair back and super strong, but I want to be able to run my fingers through it. It just doesn't work that way, So using something like Shadow will get the job done, where you can work the hair product into the hair, you can kind of slick it back and then set it and forget it, right? The next option, which is something I'm going to demonstrate for you now, is using my product called Power Cream, or a very strong holding cream gel, or even a gel in general, but this is a cream gel, so it's a little bit of a thicker consistency. Now, keep in mind that a product, like most products, are water-based. And what does water do when it hits curly hair or wavy hair? It makes it want to curl even more. That's why you need something that's got really strong hold, because once you put it back into your hair and apply it, you don't want it to move. If you use something that's too light or has almost no hold whatsoever, it's going to loosen, and then your hair is going to become even more wavy or curly. If you want that, that's awesome. But I suggest, honestly, setting it and forgetting it. All right, so I'm going to squeeze some product into my hands. I'm using actually a pretty good amount of product. I like to use a lot of product, but I also want to make sure that I'm getting it through the hair. So I'm going to work it into my hands ever so slightly. It's still creamy, as you can see. And I'm going to start at the ends and towards the back, and then I'm going to work my way towards the front. So I'm really trying to saturate all of the hair in one shot here, right? Using my fingers as much as I can. This is a product that works relatively quickly, right? And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the fine teeth of the comb like this, and I'm going to just comb the hair back And be very, very careful because you may have some knots. This hair was very, very heavily teased before, so it's got a lot of knots in it. So let's switch over to the wide teeth there. It's getting through much easier. And what's happening is I'm able to control the hair a lot easier because of the way I applied it. So now I'm combing through the hair. And let's turn the mannequin to the side. As you can see, even though this has got some waves in it, it's got some curls in it, I'm able to really get this to be much smoother, and it's almost taking out the waves from the hair because of, one, using the comb, and two, also the way that we apply the product. The application is really, really crucial because you want to make sure that you're applying the product the right way. A lot of times I'll notice, and again, this is really just knotting up because the hair was so teased before. And when I say teased, backcombed. So there's a lot of already pre-existing knots in it. But there, we combed it straight through, and it's got a nice slick look, right? So again, you all want slick back hair, right? It's slick back. The last thing you can do right now is you can actually go in and hit it with hairspray to really, really lock in that style, or you can just leave it, maybe take another layer of product and lightly use your hand to go over the top layer. But I wouldn't say, a lot of product. But once you have this in the hair, it's going to dry firmly. It's going to really hold in that style, and just do not run your fingers through it. Do not touch it, because all that's going to do is break up the entire look. All right, YouTube, thank you all so much for watching. Let me know in the comments below if you found this video helpful. You can purchase any of my products on my website, shop.thesalonguy.com. Stay safe and healthy. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time for more videos with The Salon Guy.